are you a sociopath? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if this
So
will turn out good,
we have 6 questions, and
Okay.
you need to answer
yeah, you
them.
need to answer
And
correctly.
Dad, I know you don't have a microphone, so text your
I mean,
questions,
that does have a
answers.
microphone.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Um,
You can just text.
and
You can just text.
yeah, 6 questions, kind of like riddles, and you have to think it through and prepare an answer.
Yeah.
And we have the answers here, and we're gonna see how many you identify as a sociopath or a psychopath.
Yeah.
I'm not one.
Yeah. Lavender and I did this test also, and we kind
I
of
feel like you're
identify as
recording.
psychopaths.
Or a sociopath.
We aren't
I feel like
recording.
you're recording.
Yeah. So Lavender and I kind of identify as a sociopath and psychopath.
Yeah.
But we're gonna see how much you actually relate to us, and this is gonna be weird.
Okay.
I have my water.
Do you mean
Prepare
in
some.
real life or just in the roleplay thing or something? I don't know.
Prepare a drink, okay? Prepare a drink. I have the water.
We have the holy
Yeah.
water.
No.
It's gonna.
We have the holy water.
I have the holy water. That's certainly not blood. Yeah,
Wow.
it's certainly not blood. I can confirm it's not blood. It's water.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start with the first one.
Lavender, Your Honor, you can start.
Okay. A serial killer was chasing you, and then the serial killer suddenly makes a phone call to you. And why?
I've seen this before.
But why?
Serial killer chases you, and he calls you. Why does he call you?
Yeah, why does he call you?
I don't know.
It's just a random serial
asked
killer.
him.
Like a random
I
serial killer.
asked
that's
him
trying
why
to kill
he
you.
called me. Because I don't know that he was a serial killer.
I mean,
I
why?
didn't know
Why
he
would
was a
he say
serial
hi?
killer.
The question is
So-
why? Why would he call you? Why
I
would he
don't
call
know.
you? You know he's a psychopath. He's chasing you. He's trying to kill you. Why is he calling you?
Why is he calling
To
you?
distract you, and then I don't know. The question
Just-
is, why does he have my phone number?
Oh, true.
That's the question. That's the question we asked ourselves. But the question is
He's my friend.
why is he calling you?
Because
Why
he's
does he
my
call
friend
you
and
while-
that's not a serial killer.
Why is he calling you while he is trying to kill you? You're running away from him, and he calls you. Why you're running?
I ate something he liked.
Oh my god.
So he's trying to kill me.
Okay.
Nah.
Sadly, you both got the
It's just
answer wrong.
not because I want to. This is not
And
because
then
I
he
want to be
called
mean,
me
but
to tell me he's
You
trying
both
to
got the
kill
answer
me.
wrong.
our answer was so differently. Our answer was so different
Yeah, we all answered
and
that.
wrong.
Okay, so you both answered it wrong, and the answer is he can locate you where you are and then kill you.
Because
Then
he
he's
hears
a
the ringtone.
Yeah.
He hears the ringtone, and
He just hears the ringtone.
yeah.
Ring,
Hacker
ring, ring,
is
ring,
So
ring, ring, ring.
he knows where you are, and most people actually slow down or stop when they get a phone call.
I
So
wouldn't.
you are
I
a
would
very
keep
easy
running.
target.
Yeah.
Actually, I would keep running because someone's trying to
Yeah.
kill me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very smart. You are smart.
Yeah.
Next question goes to me. Yay.
Okay. Next. Okay. Do you want to do
Okay.
it? Okay, sis. Do you want to do it?
I'm gonna do the next question. Please,
I don't know.
silent. Everyone silent, please.
Okay. Everyone's silent.
No.
Someone wants to kill his boss. He's in a store and he buys a $5 knife, and next to the $5 knife there's a $50 knife. Why? Why the $5 knife?
Because it's cheaper.
Think's true. Think it through. There's more than that.
Yeah. Cause
You're not telling me.
poured
Tell me again. I didn't
him.
hear clearly.
Oop.
Okay. Oh my God, you are so nuts. You are so. Oh my God, you two are so innocent.
Yeah,
You
two
two are way too innocent.
No, tell me
You
again.
two
Tell me
are
again.
way
Tell
too
me again.
innocent.
Tell me
I mean,
again. I didn't.
I
Tell me
even
again.
through the episodes we recorded, I have laughed many actually
Tell me
3
again. I
times.
didn't hear you.
Okay. A man wants to kill his boss.
And bringing up, yeah,
So
yeah.
he
Yeah.
sees a $5 knife and a $50 knife. But then he buys a $5 knife. But so why did he buy the $5 knife?
Because it's cheaper and he needs the knife. So he can kill people.
I'm gonna give you 10 seconds.
Okay.
10 seconds.
Actually. This is random. What I'm gonna say now is random. Okay.
Okay.
So, he buys the knife and then kills the shopkeeper and then takes all the money and then gets the other knife and then takes all the knives in the world.
I mean,
Time's up. Time's up. I'm
Yeah.
gonna read the answer. He buys the cheaper knife because it's bad quality. It's bad quality, so he can torture his boss before he dies.
yeah.
How is
yeah,
the knife
and
bad
we all-
quality?
And me and Vinny got it
Yeah,
right.
it's totally something I would do. It's totally something
How-
I would do. Like, listen, sharper. How sharper it is, how less pain.
Wow.
He wants him to suffer. He wants to have pain. He doesn't want the sharper knife because how
I
sharp it is, it's less pain. So he takes the cheaper knife. That's a better quality.
Wait.
So he can do more damage and.
Wait.
Okay.
Why does he hate his boss though? That's the real question.
I don't know. We only got this riddle.
Tell me, give me like a random answer why he hates its boss.
I don't
Is it from the other question? Just
Okay.
because he did something random?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. So should I do the next question?
Yeah, I don't have any.
Okay, I will do the next question. A man was having a good life, or rich life, I guess, and then he got bankrupt. So he gets a new job, and then he didn't want his wife to know about this, so he hides the job paper, and then the wife finds out. But then the wife pretended to not know that he had a new job. But then the man finds out, so he locks the house with the wife in when the wife was in, and then burned the house down. Why? And the man left the house.
Wait,
Yeah.
what? I don't.
So the question is, why did he burn the house down?
Because he burnt the house down.
Oh my God.
Oh my god! Why are you two so
I
innocent?
still don't get the question.
So,
I don't get the question.
the man was having a wealthy life,
Oh my
Why?
Yeah.
god, you two are so innocent!
Yeah.
We are little
See?
psychopaths. We
Tell
identify as
me.
psychopaths. You are so innocent. It's so cute.
Tell me.
So
You want to
Oh
tell
my
me?
god. You are
Tell
so
me.
okay.
innocent.
So the answer is
Oh my god.
okay.
Ray?
Okay, the answer
Which
is a
one?
woman who's okay with not being a CEO's wife is not worth keeping.
I still don't get it. I still don't get the question.
So
Whatever. Next question.
Okay, so he killed his wife because he was heartless and he didn't care about the wife, even though the wife was very nice and she helped him
Yeah.
with his job and
yeah.
paid with the bills as well. And he's
Okay.
soulless.
Okay. You
Shut
guys
up,
are so
okay?
innocent.
I'm gonna
Why?
read the next question. I'm gonna read the next question. Everyone's silent.
Okay.
Um Next question. A paralyzed woman was found dead in pieces. The killer was suspected to be her little sister, who nursed
Wait,
the
the
woman.
beaches?
20% of the body was missing, so parts of the body were gone. Um, the g- the girl
I
ate the
don't
woman a
understand
little
what you're
bit.
saying.
Shut up! The
No.
girl the girl ate the woman a little bit day by day. Why? Why did the girl ate the woman?
Because he did. You mean by day? Or why she
Day by
ate
day,
him?
a little piece of the girl
Oh,
of the
okay.
that's the question is why did the girl eat
Because
pieces of her
no,
sister?
because
Why did
he
she?
wants her to suffer and she needs food and she's very hungry because they're poor.
Oh,
That's my answer.
Remember,
remember
the
this
woman
is
is already dead. She can't suffer anymore.
yeah.
Then they're very poor and they can't buy anything and she's a cannibal
Dad,
and she
why,
wanted to
Dad?
eat
Yeah,
I mean,
someone.
well,
I mean,
Like she
that
she is
really wanted to eat
cannibal. I
someone.
mean,
that was pretty dark,
She
but
I mean,
really wanted to eat someone and her sister was the only one around. Because the others are at home because of the
I mean,
coronavirus.
she is a
oh my god,
cannibal, but the real answer
she is
is
a cannibal because she eats people.
but the real
Can I
answer
do the
Corona.
answer?
the real
Can
answer
I do the
is
answer?
so
Can I do the answer, please?
okay.
The
How would I
answer
object
is
when you would answer?
the answer is actually pretty wholesome. The answer is so that the little girl can be with her older sister forever.
And oh, it's cute.
Yeah.
That's actually, it's actually cute. Yeah, I think.
So that's why. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, finally, Dad got something wrong. I mean, Dad. So she ate her to be with her. Yeah. To be together forever.
It's
Wholesome.
wholesome though, because if you're dead, you can die again. So yeah,
Yeah.
it's so wholesome.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
It is cute though.
Oh my gosh.
And then
All right, next question. Next question, please.
okay. Okay. I
Tell
will do
me.
it. I will do it. A family, mom, dad, and a son were extremely close. The neighborhood knew them as a close-knit family who loved each other. As the son grew older, he started to go to elementary school. He got bullied because his parents still brought him to school every day. Then his parents started killing children from every couple of months. Why?
Is it because he got bullied?
Yeah, I guess. I mean,
Then that's it.
I mean,
That's it.
that's okay, I guess,
yeah,
but that's not the answer.
that's not the answer though.
Because they're William.
No!
They're like
The
William.
It's
answers,
not William
the
Afton.
answers are a lot more. The answers are a lot more complicated than you
No,
Yeah.
think.
because they're like William Afton. They lost their kids and then went insane and then killed other kids even though they had another kid.
I mean, the kid,
Yeah, there
Yeah,
is.
the
the
kid.
the
So, should
Yeah,
I tell
there
the
is.
answer?
the
Yeah,
parents,
there
Should I
the
say the
parents
answer?
love their kid.
is.
So should I say the answer?
Yeah,
No.
you can.
No,
You
no,
can do the
no,
answer.
no.
Do the.
To make it normal, kids. So
No.
taking
Oh
kids
my
to
god.
school is normal for parents now.
This is
So
such a
like,
mess. You
yeah,
are so. Oh,
I don't know anymore.
I'm literally dying again. This is
I
the
can
fourth time I die today.
Yeah.
I can be more annoying
Oh no.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
Okay.
by accident, or
Yeah.
sometimes I just want to like
God.
talk like this.
So yeah. Okay. Wanna to the next question? And excuse me. Sorry.
You still have to do the answer.
Oh yeah. The answer is to make it normal, so parents will take kids to school. Like, who would take their kids when there's like a murder going on? Oh God! Oh,
I have another question by now. That's
yeah. Me too.
why would they even take their kids to school if there were murders there? Why would school even be still on? That's just stupid. But okay, it's stupid.
Yeah, that's just stupid. Okay. Wanna do a
Yeah.
psychopath one?
No, we still have a question.
No,
We
that's.
still.
Oh
I'm
yeah,
gonna
we
do the
still have.
last one.
Oh yeah, the last one.
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna do the last one?
So everyone, shut up! It's time for the last question,
Oh
and
God,
then you're
shut up.
freed. Um, a
No,
serial killer. A serial killer was just
no, no, no.
released from. A serial killer was just released from prison. He lived a stable life and had a new home. He painted the floors in the new home black. Why?
Because he wanted to paint it black,
Oh my God.
and
My
because
God,
he likes
Oh,
the dark
he's
and
not
he
a
wants to worship
Batman.
the
Dad!
dark.
Oh my God, Dad! That's such a that's
That's
such a good
What?
answer.
yeah, and it is very innocent.
Oh my
That's really a good answer, actually. Oh Lord. Oh God.
He likes NASA's.
He likes.
He likes Lavi
Yeah.
and
No, he.
and Nightmare.
No.
Oh my
No. Why? Why are you guys so innocent? Why are you guys so
Why are you all
god. How
so
is this
innocent? Oh my
innocent?
God.
How
so
am I innocent?
Oh
How's
my
this
gosh.
innocent?
so
I can't. I can't fucking
the
live.
answer is
Hey, hey,
because
hey, 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 stop it.
okay.
I have the answer. The answer is because bloodstains are hard to notice on black. So he can murder in his
That's
house and
fine.
you can't see the blood. Or he
Yeah.
can paint over it again.
Yeah. Yeah, he will hide
I
the body.
guess that kinda has it right
Yeah.
by hiding bodies, but not
Yeah,
entirely.
true. True though.
But
Bendy.
that that were the questions. Our statistics are me and Lavender are psychopaths, and uh, you two are innocent beings.
Yeah, you two are just
How are we
innocent.
innocent?
You guys never
How are you
answer.
not innocent?
You guys didn't answer anything right.
Is it because we don't get the answer right
Yeah.
correctly? Like the exact answer? It's exact.
No, it's like if it's like
How can you get
similar.
the exact answer unless you're very, 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 very great?
No, it's like similar. If it's like similar, I guess.
How about if it's similar to that similar thing?
I don't know.
Then it's still yeast.
Lol. Okay, thanks for watching,
Hmm.
guys. We'll see you guys
Hello.
later. Or yeah, this video was short and a
Oops.
chaos.
Can you cut this part out?
Yeah, sure.
My
So
brother wanted.
see you guys tomorrow.
My brother wanted.
So see you guys tomorrow, I guess.
Bye.